Hey guys, I took this sell trade on V50 index here, and you can see I'm moving in good profit. More sales is still expected on this index in the coming hours and days. And I shared this sell signal to my VIP members. We're moving a massive profit. Price got to our first TP level, smashed it, then retraced back to come test our entry points. We still have some positions running. I didn't break even when price got to our first TP, so I was in a little drawdown before price now started moving in profit. So how did I know this index is going to sell from this zone? I'm still expecting more sales on this index. Looking at the high time frame structure, the weekly time frame, we can tell that this index is selling from a level of resistance. We got the first reactions, previous reactions would say, from this level. Resistance. We got price react on this level a couple of times as a resistance, and price broke above this level like a fake breakout of this strong resistance level, so to the downside. And whenever we see price give a fake breakout of a level, there's a possibility that price is going to retest that level to continue in that original direction, like we got here. This fake breakout, price broke back inside of this zone, retested it for the continuation of these sales. This was like this kind of correcting the mistake it did earlier. The market is kind of trying to correct the mistake it did earlier by retesting this zone and giving the sales, right, giving the expected sales to the downside. So the sell move is expected on V50 index in the coming days and hours. So the daily time frame structure is looking good as well. The daily time frame structure is looking good because we got price create this structure, this bearish formation. The first high is here, the second high is a lower high, third high, fourth high, third high here, lower high, fourth high, lower high. So this structure is looking bearish already on the daily time frame. And I also took note of it, identified this bearish structure. I always emphasize on identifying the market structure, spotting our levels, identifying the market trend, right, the market direction on the higher time frame. Regardless of having these sales, regardless of these sales you're getting right now, this index is still bullish. This index is still in an uptrend. So a proper retest is expected to this point at least. Proper retest is expected to this zone. I'm bringing up our Fibonacci to confirm our retest point from the swing lows to the swing highs. You can see that this point, this zone is an expected buy zone on this index. You can see this is 1.8 level, which is at this point, and 50.0 level as well, which is at this zone. So we have to also mark out this 50.0 level because we could expect possible reaction on it, but short term the sales is still expected on this index. This index is still bullish regardless of these sales we're getting. It's still long-term bullish, right? But market is trying to retest a zone for its bullish continuation. So it's on the expected retest we are taking a trade advantage on, right? So the daily time frame structure is looking good. Lower heights formation. Let's clear this thing, sorry. Okay, lower heights formation. We can already see the 50.0 level, which is here. It looks like a strong level of resistance that got broken, which is likely to turn to a support level. So there's a possibility of price doing what, selling to this zone. And the time frame candle that closed the previous candle, that's the trading market we got yesterday, right? We got a bearish trading market on this index, bearish trading day. So it's expected to get more bearish days like today to turn bearish and tomorrow as well. So the sales is expected from that zone, from this zone, right, from this current price level. And we got price create a structure on the 4 hour time frame, and we also had this uptrend that got broken here. We had this uptrend that price broke out of. Market was creating this uptrend formation, and we got a breakout of this uptrend at this point, a breakout at this zone. Then market created a double top formation, which is a bearish structure. The first high is there and the second high is at this zone, right? Okay, sorry, the first high is here. It should be at this point. This is 4 time frame structure. The first high is there and the second high is at this point. The two highs, right? Two double top formation. The double top formation we got here, and we got the neckline here, which we already got the retest on. Remember, I told you guys that I had my first TP levels, my first TP at this point, at this zone. I think I got it at this point. First TP was here, which price has smashed. Then we got this retracement. I got this entry earlier. I got this trade entry earlier today. Then price smashed our first TP at this point, retraced with this green candle, came to test our entry zone again. I didn't break even this trade. That's why all my positions didn't close out. So I moved in little drawdown before market started moving our way again. So the sells is still expected, and I would still set my next TP level here again to expect price to sell to this zone, right? So everything is looking nice on this index. The bearish structure on the 4 time frame, the double top formation, the neckline that got broken and retested. So I'm expecting price to do what? Start selling from this current price level. As you can see, we're already getting the massive sales, right? So getting the sales, and the structure is looking bearish on a lower time frame as well. On this 15-minute time frame, we're getting price create lower highs and lower lows formation, which is matching up with our view, our higher time frame view on this index. So more sales is expected in the coming hours and days, right? At least to this zone, to this point on the V50 index. Our first TP would be here. Our second TP is likely to be at this zone, at this point, because you have this level as a zone. You could expect possible market reactions on this zone here. We have this zone as a zone. We could expect possible market reactions on. So our second TP would be here, and our third TP would be at this point. Let's move it up a little bit. So at the end of this video, I would set my automatic TP levels on this index. So that's this, guys. That's how I was able to take the sell trade on the V50 index. That's my trade projection, my trade expectations, my market view on this index. Alright, so hit the like button for more trade reviews, likes, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more on that.